Hey guys, how's it going? How to create a secure password. So passwords are often the first line of defense in protecting our personal and financial information. So it pays to have a strong, long, and complex one and easy to remember. So first of all, I'm gonna go ahead to my passwords app to make it easier. All right. So I'm gonna type right here password. Right, and make sure that you updated your iOS to the latest version for them. Okay, now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and click all right here, right, and I'm gonna click the plus button at the bottom right. Okay, enter the website and or label, and then enter the username and then the password. Okay, you can use a recommended password from Apple to save it, but if you're not sure that you're gonna memorize that, you could type something that you can remember. Let's say, for example, Rocky exclamation point, right? BLLBO at something complicated where you mix capital words with symbols and of course the email at, right? So no one can have access or can hack to your sensitive information. So passwords again are often the first line in defense of protecting our personal and financial information. So make sure that you enter a strong, long, and complex one and easy to remember, like this example, right? And then hit save up at the top right after you enter your website or label and the username or the email or the ID, whatever. So you can add notes right here if you want to say it's important, right? And then hit save at the top right. And that way you're gonna be able to secure your passwords from hacking into your financial and sensitive data. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Do not forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.